He is isolated. He is being tortured through solitary confinement, him and his wife. This is the situation 2.25 months. Today, when the sentencing was supposed to be given, the lawyer as well as the family have to be present, and they intentionally did not allow anybody to go in. The judge read out the sentence. My brother didn't know about it. The lawyer who went in after the sentence was read out, he announced it. My brother asked him, well, what happened? He said, you've been convicted. So my brother laughed about it because it's a collection. All they want is for my brother to not stand up for the people. They wanted him to leave the country or just keep quiet and do not what they call politics. But there's a country which is going to, it's not going to, you think Imran is going to spend 10 years in jail for a necklace for being underpriced? Seriously? Is that that's 17 years of conviction? Of course, it's a fraudulent setup. Why do you think he is in jail? First, understand that he's not somebody that nobody in the world knows about. Everybody knows about him. Everybody knows about that he's somebody least interested in money. But the problem is that the people sitting in the government and who have actual genuine billions of dollar corruption charges on them. And they stole Imran Khan's, actually they stole the people's mandate on the 8th of February. The whole world knows it. There's a Commonwealth report which has confirmed it. If you do not believe, the people themselves who are angry that their vote was stolen. So if it's a democracy, then it's a sham. On the 8th of February, they won the election. On the 9th of February, at least the whole mandate was stolen. First of all, Imran Khan is jailed because that's where they want him. In 70 years, he had not a single case on him. The whole country knows he's an honest man. So they had to manufacture a case. They didn't think he was going to go through with these cases and he wasn't going to face them. And he decided that he's going to stay in the country, not leave the country as they wanted him to leave. He faced his cases and their cases have fallen flat. Do you know what the case is? The case is that he was gifted a necklace. His wife was gifted a necklace that goes through the procedure through his military secretary to the government department to have it evaluated. What they're saying is, you know what the charge is? That it was under-evaluated because a state prime minister or anybody else who's a state functionary can take the gift at half the price, that they can keep the gift at half the price. So what they're saying is that one necklace was undervalued, but the valuation was done by the government official. There's no government official present. This is a collapsed judicial system. The judges are leaving. The judges are being kicked out of court if they give fair sentences. That, just check how many judges have resigned from the court. It's not going to happen. Imran's not going to stay in for 10 years.